bombs away.
Do you wish your toilet cleaned itself?
With this toilet cleaning balm, all you have to do is drop it in the toilet and let it fizz away for your toilet bowl to be refreshed. So from your recipe box, we're gonna grab our labels and our recipe cards, and we're going to use peppermint essential oil, which is a great cleaner. And we're gonna grab citric acid to create those fun fizzing bubbles.
And from your kitchen, you're gonna wanna grab a mold. This could be an ice cube tray or like
anything similar.
Okay. And you're gonna wanna grab a 1/4 cup of cornstarch.
And some Castile or dish soap. If you're a subscriber, you can add this to your August recipe box for free shipping. So let's get started. So to start, we're going to mix our soap and essential oil together. So we're gonna use a 1/2 tablespoon of Castile soap and 6 drops of peppermint. And this soap will help dilute the essential oil. So we'll stir that.
Okay.
Great. Then we'll just set this aside while we mix our dry ingredients. So we're gonna mix our dry ingredients together. So we've got a 1/4 cup of baking soda, and then you can add a tablespoon of citric acid. The baking soda and citric acid combine to create fun bubbles. All right, so we'll stir that, and then we'll mix all our ingredients together and then put it in our mold. So now we're going to add our dish soap, and the citric acid and baking soda is going to react a little bit with the dish soap and kind of expand, but that's okay. So stir it all up so that everything is wet. Otherwise, when you take it out of the mold, it's gonna be super crumbly. So it needs to be even. All right, so that looks good. So we're gonna grab our mold, and then you can push the mixture down into it. You might find that your recipe continues to expand in the mold. So don't fill your cavities all the way to the top. If it does start to expand, you can push it down into the mold or push it into another cavity. And you can always increase this recipe to make more. But we've got 4 cute little toilet bombs that we're going to use, and we're gonna set this aside to totally dry.
So once they're dry, we're gonna plop them in the toilet and let them do their thing. Okay?
So to make this recipe, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, and you'll love learning how to use essential oils to make your home less toxic.
We can't wait to have you on board. See you later. Do you wish your toilet cleaned itself with this all-natural toilet bomb bath? What is happening?